Hi, I'm Bruno, demonstration chef for Sous Vide Tools. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to use the Mycook. Okay, just a few operating techniques from there. Obviously your Mycook. Okay, for there your jug has to be off to then slip, then your lid just on, wants to then shut. Also make sure it then shuts properly and closes properly. Okay, from there as well, switch just at the back, that will then switch on your Mycook from there. Your very simple one just for blending, literally 1 to 10. Obviously start off really slowly first and then really start to build it up depending upon what you're blending, and any purees or soups or anything like that, I wouldn't start it and go straight on to number 10 because the speed of it will then just blow the lid and don't want that. Okay, so any gently all the way up. That, if you want it then gently all the way, away you go. Okay. From there again, you can then also set a time and then a temperature of whatever you want, depending upon what you're making on glaze, hollandaise, anything like that from that point of view within there. And then also if you were then particularly making risotto bits and pieces like that, then from there obviously we'll then start up to 1 to 10 depending upon what speed you then want as well. Okay, got your turbo button, and also as well it has then got your kneading process for then particularly as well. You've got then also your spoon to then anything that then really sort of thick, you can then get round the sides from that point of view. But then also as well you have then got your kneader, and that will then also just clip in and then just go around from there. Happy days.